Hi everyone and welcome to Latchkey. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get your organization set up and ready to go. This entire process takes less than 5 minutes and I'll guide you through each step. Let's take a look. To begin, sign into the platform using your GitHub credentials. This ensures secure access to your organization's data. If this is your first time using Latchkey, you will be automatically redirected to the pricing page. Here, you can choose the plan that fits your team's needs. We are going to select the scale plan as it aligns best with our repository count and monitoring requirements. Next, simply input your payment information to start your 30-day free trial. Once payment is confirmed, you will be taken to the onboarding page. Click Get Started to begin the 3-step configuration process. Step 1 is to connect your GitHub organization. Click Authorize to grant Latchkey the permissions needed to read metadata and analyze workflow runs. Please note that Latchkey requires a GitHub organization account. It does not currently support personal accounts. Next, you will be redirected to GitHub to confirm the installation. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may need to verify the logging via GitHub Mobile. Once authenticated, Latchkey will automatically fetch and index your organization's repositories. Step 2 is selecting repositories you want to monitor. You don't need to import everything at once. You have full control over what gets tracked, and you can easily add or remove repositories later via monitoring modal in the dashboard. If you want a deep dive into how the monitoring modal works, check out our dedicated video on monitoring modal linked in the documentation page. In the Select Repositories step, use the search bar to find specific projects and simply check the box next to any repositories you wish to onboard. If you want to filter, you can do so by name, select multiple repositories across different projects, or clear your search terms to return to the full list. Once you have selected relevant repositories, click Enable Monitoring button at the bottom of the screen. At this stage, Latchkey starts configuring necessary webhooks and backfilling workflow runs and jobs from the beginning of the current month. Simultaneously, our AI engine is starting to analyze your workflow and actions in the background. And just like that, onboarding is complete in under 5 minutes. You are now on your main dashboard. Your pipeline performance metrics, cost analysis, and optimizations insights will begin populating immediately. From here, you can drill into individual repositories, find issues, review insights, and start optimizing your workflows right away. We hope this guide helps you to get started. We look forward to hearing from your feedback, and thank you for choosing Latchkey.